Myntri ke tnat art and culture ke sorkar Jylla, Bah Paul Lyngdoh, ha ke jingia don ryngkat ke DC ke East Khasi Hills ke kong R M Kurbah, mynta ke sngi ke tarik kyllalyngkot hajar pusau, ula Plie paidbah ya ke jingdro dur ha kynroh ke Ophis treikam ke DC, ban pin inam ya ki riti dustur, khana pateng, bat ki mrad khlaw, kiba don ha ke ni ke Jylla.
Just New Year's wishes to each one of you. And it's certainly a brand new year, because the DC's office all these years, whenever I cross or come through the building, the only art that I would see on the walls were words like "do not drop line" and "do not spit here." Yeah, what from that into the art that you have graduated today, it's certainly a huge leap forward for this office. And I must thank each one of you, especially Mario. He was a kid when I first met him, because I knew his father, Pascal, and we were very close. He was also our advisor when we were in the Khasi Students Union. Thank you, Mario, for the beautiful concept and for having taken the art form from the gallery to the streets. Mr. Mazumdar, our regional coordinator of Street Art Start India Foundation, Mr. Asif Khan, and members of your team. I think it took you less than 2 months to complete this very important task. And I'm sure that the hills have certainly come alive with your painting, depicting the rich traditional and cultural motifs of Meghalaya. I wish to add here that more than anything else, what you have done today is encourage visitors, tourists visiting the state of Meghalaya, to not only be mesmerized by our natural beauty, but also to step into something called immersive tourism. Immersive tourism is when a tourist goes beyond what hits his eyes, and to try to go deeper, to immerse into the culture, immerse into the art, the myths, the legends, the history, the cultural background of a people. And that is an experience that Meghalaya has so much to share with the rest of the world. Very few of our citizens are even aware of the fact that we have something called the Meghalaya age, which is a geological age determined worldwide, and the Meghalaya age is supposed to have started 4,200 years back.
Street art, okay, in your foundation, and we have Mario, who is the artist who conceptualized the whole design on our wall. So, as we all know, Meghalaya, being the abode of clouds, is well known for its mesmerizing clouds that rise above the hills, which is seen in various places across the district. And for this, we are also aware that it's one of the richest biodiversity region of the country, as well as in the world itself.